phone screen is so dirty. Let me clean for you.
之后的话还会无数次遭遇这样的一个状况，对吧？会。
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no. Stop being ratchet.
Wish I was a cat, no schools, no works, just
Pipi und Kaki im Pipi-Kaka-Land.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Yeah, now I'm panicking.
Yeah, don't panic.
No, I am, because I'm going to lose my job.
That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Cookie, cookie, stand.
SpongeBob, you gotta ask him a question first.
Oh yeah. What color is my underwear?
His meow was so cute.
Ah.
Hi, Herbert.